So you go like this, right? I learned this from TikTok. So
We're setting up the head of the camera because...
And then you go like this so that you can lean your camera up against it. And that'll be a better height.
Whoa.
You're welcome!
Like, that was just so fucking extra.
But
you
you know,
know,
it's good and the lighting's not gonna get weird.
Hey guys, it's What's up? So basically today I'm fucking bored and I don't have any ballet or anything to do except I'm going out to dinner with my cousin. So I'm just gonna vlog because there's nothing else to do. It's like blizzarding outside, so maybe I'll go and enjoy that, get stuck in the snow, maybe make a snow angel. Yeah, I actually hate the cold, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll do something on my bucket list that I made like 3 weeks ago and haven't done a single thing on. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So, yeah. I need more coffee. I've only had 2 cups today and I'm still half asleep. And if you guys didn't know, so I'm in my closet, not actually gonna film me getting dressed because that's fucking inappropriate. I think I'm gonna wear, what am I gonna wear today? Maybe some jeans, some bell bottoms. See that? Let's wear some jeans. What should we wear on top, guys? Honestly, just probably gonna keep this on. That was so much work for literally nothing. Alright guys, I'll see you in a second. Guys, this is the fit. It actually looks really horrible on me, so I don't know why I'm wearing it, but it's okay because we're trying not to be superficial, right? Right. Alright, so it's actually like blizzarding out. Don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna have a fun time trying to walk places. Yeah, so I switched my top because I just wasn't vibing with the other one, you know? So I switched it to this nice blue one. Why do I sound like a literal dying cat like 50% of my life? I just really just don't understand. I sound like a dying cat. We're ready. Okay, so the plan. So we're gonna go exploring. My therapist told me about like this really chill Greek place that's at the back of like all these jewelry shops. So we're gonna go try to find it. I really don't know where it is. I really don't know how to get there, but we're gonna go exploring and we're gonna try to find it. And I've been craving Greek food for like a long time now, so we're gonna go try to do that. Yeah, that's the plan. We need coffee, like now. Should we stop at Starbucks first? We're gonna stop at Starbucks because we're just some basic white bitches over here. So, this is not cute, guys.
I'm about to lose my hat.
Can you see that snow? I have snow in my eyelash. Do you see that? This is gonna be really cute for Instagram pictures later.
I know, that's why I'm like trying to get like a little...
We should go down to the lake. Isn't this cute?
I'm so happy.
Look at that. So nice. I swear they didn't honk at us. We love revolving doors. Can I get a hot matcha latte with almond milk, grande, and whipped cream? Thank you. Thank you. in case you were wondering, I was voted most complicated coffee order on that app TBH a long time ago, so. It's burned my tongue, guys. Let's go find some Greek food.
Yummy.
Yeah. Just don't know what that was. That little, yeah.
I have no idea.
It's okay, guys. I'm just slowly dying inside. You know what I can't wait for?
What?
Summer.
Yeah, me too.
I just
I
like,
get to work all summer, and I really like it.
I get to go to Cape Cod this summer. I'm just like so excited for Cape Cod. Me and my family go to Cape Cod every year for like a week in the summer. My only concern is that I might be like eaten by a shark. I mean, there were like 5 shark attacks last year when we went. It was bad. But, you know, I still went swimming. I still went boogie boarding. I'm not about to go surfing though, because I feel like that's just like a death sentence. So, oh shit! What? That's really cute. Oasis Cafe. That's just, no, yeah. It's not that. It's at the back of like a Jewish, maybe it's up there. I don't know.
Oasis Cafe.
Where? Oh, guys, it's closed on Sunday.
So I guess we're going shopping.
I'm so upset.
We can go tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, let's go tomorrow. That, I mean, at least we know how to find it now.
Yeah, I know.
Like, oh, I'm so upset now. That's so sad. Okay, I guess we're gonna go shop for vlog cameras now at Staples, and then I guess we're gonna go to Urban. I'm really upset though, because I really wanted Greek food, but I guess I'll just have to wait till tomorrow. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. I made a friend. I think that pigeon liked me. So, quick story time. Me and Abby both have a fear of escalators. I have a fear of escalators because I feel like whenever I step on one, I'm gonna step on 2 steps at the same time, and then they're gonna separate, and then I'm just gonna fall down them. Yeah. So that's the end of our story time. Hope you enjoyed. We just cannot find vlog cameras. Like, where in the world would they be? I keep trying to like go up to the guy that works down here, but he keeps running away from me. Maybe I'm just that scary, but I don't really know what's going on. So, okay guys, so they don't have vlog cameras in stock. So, we're gonna go look at Target maybe, because currently I'm filming on my iPhone 10, and you know, it's good quality, but like I actually want a vlog camera. So yeah. Abby, where are we? We're at Target. We're gonna go look for vlog cameras. My question is, why do they have pots and pans in the electronics section? I really just don't understand that, but you know what, you do you, Target. Guys, look at this. This makes me so excited. Let me set this down somewhere. Okay, just like, I'm looking for one that can like I can like see myself, you know, like the little screen can like flip around.
Film camera, but this isn't like a vlog.
Oh
I
wait,
mean,
but can
it
that like
is.
flip around though?
Yeah, but you.
Do I splurge?
Are you gonna buy that?
Bro, what if I did?
I'm leaving.
That's awkward. Bruh, look at this, look at this. Whoa, and it flips around. Look, you can see yourself. That's so funny.
I need to take my coat off. I'm sweating. I'm having a heat
Hey
stroke.
guys. It's Alms. Welcome back to my channel.
quality good?
Yeah, it's actually really good. I like it.
I feel like your phone is better though.
I feel like, but like a vlog camera, bro. Like, come on.
So bad.
Let's like turn it around and see how it looks. Bruh, do you see that? I like actually like this. I feel like no, the quality isn't like as good as my phone. But like it's a vlog camera. I just don't understand why I'm so tired. Like I don't understand why vlogging makes me so low energy. I feel like you have to be so high energy to vlog, and then it just sucks all your energy like right out of you, you know? I'm just like, I need another coffee. I just finished this one and I need another one because I'm just that person. Maybe I'll go get one at Pret. That was cute. Abby just found a Taco Bell shape. If you guys didn't know, Abby and I have gone to Taco Bell the last like 3 weeks in a row because we love Taco Bell so much. And
how much is this shirt?
You should buy it.
It depends on how much it is. Oh, it's $13 for no. I can make that myself. Printing is so cheap.
There you have it, folks. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Hello. Okay, let's go. They might yell at me for being in here with you. Alright.
I take my hat off.
Abby, smile.
Get out.
2 things, I'm low-key crying because I've been yawning so fucking much. Like, you see that? Holy shit. Also, can we just appreciate how good Abby looks in this swimsuit? Like, she looks really good in that. I think that she should buy it. Comment down below if you think that she should get the swimsuit because I think that she should. Guys, they have this thing that's so fucking dope. Like, you put your cart on it and like it goes down. Hold on, let me show you. Magical thing right here. Like, you put your cart on it and it like goes down the escalator with you. It's so fucking dope.
I almost threw hands.
There's a girl that was like like laughing at me vlogging it, and she was like it's normal, like what are you talking about? And I was like, bitch, no, it's fucking not. It's a dope, bro. Like, so here's the thing, I have like a million things in my cart at the Urban website, like online, but I don't see like any of them in store right now, so I can't try them on, which kind of sucks, but we're just gonna try new stuff on, I guess. So maybe that'll be fun. Abby. So right now I'm really just trying to look for spring 2020 fashion, summer 2020 fashion. Like, it's still February, it's still winter, but like just trying to be ahead of the game, if you know what I mean. Maybe I'll get a denim dress. I literally could fall asleep on the ground right now. And like, I've had like 3 cups of coffee today. If we're counting like 8-ounce cups, like I've had 4 because the Starbucks was 16 ounces and I'm literally falling asleep. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm in this dress right now. So basically the story with this one is, last time I was here I tried it on in purple and I wasn't in love with it, but it looks kind of good on me, but like it wasn't like, oh my god, I have to buy it right now, right? So I decided to try it on in black. I don't really know how I feel about it. I mean, I kind of like it, but it's not like I'm totally in love with it. Probably gonna send a pic to my mom and my sister just asking for their advice, but don't really know how I feel about it. Okay guys, and I had this in my cart, but I didn't know how it would look on me, so I took it out, but I kind of like it, so I might put it back in my cart. I don't really know what it's doing in the front right there, but I kind of, it's a little wrinkly, but like maybe if I pull it down, I don't know. I kind of like it. Okay, so I kind of like this dress, but I can't really bend over in it unless I want my ass to fall out. So, just don't know what to do about that. But I think it's like pretty cute. I think I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. But definitely gonna keep that in the back of my head. Maybe put it in my cart, but like not buy it for like 2 months. But so what is going on with my hair right now? Can we just like hold on? Like my frizz is out of control. Holy fuck. I'm literally having a mental breakdown. I'm so tired. I could fall asleep on the ground. I just want to go home and go to sleep. Okay, so we both tried on a lot of shit, but we're not buying anything because we're broke for one, and two, like now we know what we like so we can buy it online for cheaper. So yeah, now we're gonna go take Instagram pictures because we need proof that we are actually out of the house on this day, because if we don't, then no one knows that we were, and maybe we actually weren't outside, so. Right? Yes. It's like not even snowing anymore. It's raining. It's like drizzling. It's freezing and I hate it. When you hold your empty coffee cup for literally an hour because you want to put it in the recycling rather than just throwing it in the trash can. Recycling bin. Yes. Guys, save the planet. Donate to NRDC and recycle. Yeah. Why do I look like absolute shit? Like, I went out this morning and I was like, can you stop being so fucking loud? I went out this morning and I was like, I look so cute. I put like eyeshadow on. I was like, I did my makeup. Like, I got dressed. Like, I didn't wear sweatpants out. Like, I look so fucking cute. And now I'm just like, so that's the evolution of my day. We made it back. Yay! We didn't die. We didn't slip and fall on our asses and get concussions.
Last time my side of nerve was this bad, I ended up having a...
Okay, so we hopped in the elevator and then a bunch of other people decided to get in too, and then we stopped at like a million floors and it was so annoying and I hated every second of it because I just wanted to get up to my room and take a fucking nap, and now that got delayed by like 5 minutes and now I'm peeved, so okay, well, we're back at the dorms now and I'm going to take a nap because I can, and I feel like that is the best thing to do for myself and body and my state of mind right now. So that concludes this video because I'm not bored anymore and I just didn't want to be bored, and that's why I started vlogging. But thanks for sticking with me. If you're here to this point, give it a like if this was entertaining, and even if it wasn't, that's okay, still give it a like. Go down there and subscribe because I know you want to, and that would mean so much to me. Also, make sure to hit that bell notification because then you will be updated when I post videos. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you for helping me not be bored. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. Bye.